spread between the bid and the ask, and then you pay a commission to exit. In this marketplace, we only pay on entry, and that entry cost is calculated on the spread between the bid and the ask. That spread is always fixed. However, the range of the spread is between 3 and 5 pips. These are all averages. And so on your $5,000 account, you want to make a one-lot transaction on the dollar versus the franc. You incur a 4-pip charge. Your account value is $4,960. After you achieve your profit objective, you're immediately credited the value of the trade. Whenever we're trading and we talk about our trades, it's always net after transaction cost. So remember, we teach 8 black and white strategies, 2 exit strategies here at the Trading Institute. So we had actually 3 trades. I called one of them. I inferred the other 2. I try to be as clear as I can on it. But we did have those opportunities that occurred there. I encourage you to watch our recorded presentations online. We try to capture as much real-time live market as we can. All I ask you is, first and foremost, is focus on the training process, because that's the real value. Is if the process makes sense, the performance will naturally follow. And the other thing too is it may not be as glamorous when we look at a trade and we see a trade that achieved, in this instance, 10 pips with 5 lots would have been $500. I know when you're looking at the competition, they're going to show you an animated chart where you're going to say, we would have got you in here and taken you out here, and you would have made $2,000 or $3,000. But remember, typically one is they can never show you this information in a real-time live market. They can never show you the trade from beginning to end because it takes countless hours for it to actually happen. And typically when you look at the animation, they never show the price structure on the right side of the screen, and they never show the amount of time it took for the trade to happen. They always cut both of those pieces of information off, so they're inferring that profit. So keep that in mind. Once again, in closing here, I don't want to run over. We want to do whatever we can to accommodate you to make a good decision. We just ask you these 2 simple things. One is we only want to follow up out of professional courtesy. We want to see if you have any questions. We're not a hard sell organization. So when we follow up by email or by phone, maybe it's not the right time of year for you. Maybe it still is not within your budget. Maybe it's a direction that you've decided it's something you would like to pursue. We simply ask you out of professional courtesy to simply politely respond back to us and let us know that. We also know that you need to have time to take and make a good decision. We've got people that have attended the sessions a number of times already, and they're planning on taking the online class, and so it's time to get prepared. So it's time to go ahead and you can purchase directly online. Maybe it's the first time you've attended a session and you need to attend a couple sessions, or watch some recorded sessions. But there again, simply reply back to us and say, yes, I have an interest in the course, but I need to take a little more time. I'm going to watch some recordings. We can facilitate you and help you make a good decision, whether it's with us or without us. All we ask is that you give us some 2-way communication. And then finally, in closing, if you consistently attend the session and we can't get any response back on why you consistently are attending the session, because we do incur an expense for people who attend this session, we have no choice but to ban you from attending these sessions. And so once again, we just simply ask, if we want to follow up out of professional courtesy, if you could just reciprocate and give us a little bit of an idea of where you're at with the program, it would certainly be appreciated and save us all a bunch of time. So thanks for attending. Remember, the next session is Thursday at 10 a.m. Feel free to attend. Watch some recorded live trades as well that occurred that we've recorded and archived. We have a sample of the trade from our Wednesday session last week. Remember, all our training, real-time market activity. All our presentations, real-time market activity. So thanks again for attending. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Everyone have a fantastic day.